Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to see a quick introduction of the candlestick data in Excel. Once you purchase, you will get the exe file and the Excel file and a step-by-step tutorial video to install, activate, and use this tool. Now let's quickly jump into the tool, how it works. So now, once you set it up, you will get this Excel file here, and all you have to do is go to this symbol name and then type whatever the symbol that you want. Now I'm typing Nifty 50. And once you enter, you will get the token automatically. You don't have to do anything. Interval, you can set it of your choice. I'm setting it to 15 minutes. And start date, end date, I'm gonna enter today's date. So I want only today's data. And once I enter that, I get the previous day's data, open, high, low, close, and also the CPR data, top central, bottom central, and pivot point, and 3 levels of resistance and 3 levels of support. And you also get the candle data here, and the market is active. So every time a candle closes, you will get the data updating over here. You can change the interval time in between to 10 minutes, to 5 minutes, and to 3 minutes, and to 1 minute. So all of that gets updated. Now, let's see, you want to change the symbol from Nifty 50 to Nifty Bank, you can do that. Just change the symbol and all the data is updated. Now, let's say you want to see for any stock, SBI, and now SBI data is updated. Now, if you want to get multiple days, then you can change the date over here. You can change it to 1st of August, and from 1st of August till date, all the candle data comes here. You can just reset it and then start using it again. So you can get this tool from our website. So go check out our website and buy the candlestick data and start using it. Thanks for watching.